Ford has a new version of the all-electric Mustang Mach-E, the Rally. It has the performance of the updated Mach-E GT, plus enhancements that make it more fun in the dirt.
Getting the nose in, and then a little power, feel the rear end come out.
Ford held a launch event just outside of Seattle at the famed DrtFish Rally School. I'm editing a deep dive on what it's like to drive the Rally, but first,
safety first in here.
what it's like to ride in.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Vaughn Gittin Jr.
let's do this.
You ready?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Mustang Mach-E Rally.
Here's what the Rally can do in the hands of a pro.
DirtFish is awesome, isn't
What
it?
a beautiful facility.
Yeah.
Beautiful facility, fun car with 700 foot-pounds of torque. You know, you really can't go wrong. All right, you ready for a lap?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Don't hold back, please.
Okay. Don't hold back, he said. Let's not hold back.
So how easy is it to drive this?
Well, I think easy is a perspective thing, but for me, this is my fourth lap out here. The balance of the car is unbelievable. Like, it's just so nimble, and having that weight, you know, at the bottom of the car makes it very predictable. The braking of the car is amazing. I mean, I think you can feel that. I mean, it's a wet, slippy surface.
Yeah.
We don't have rally tires. These are production tires, so it's super impressive. But the way that you're just able to just flick it in and then just rotate it, right? It's just very second nature. Like, I'm not having to do anything that's not natural, which for me is like my biggest judge when I drive a vehicle like this. You know, Ford has a big challenge, right? It's like, how do you make the car fun for a guy like me, but safe for a novice? And
Yeah.
I feel like they've done that.
So the last time I rode with you was in a Bronco, and it was pretty darn cool. What's the difference between this and a gas-powered car?
Well, the torque obviously is immediate here. The center of gravity is obviously very different. You know, where this car I can flick with zero issue. It's not top heavy. You know, there's no concerns or like that I have to like feel it on the edge like you would say a Bronco. It's a little higher center of gravity. So
Sure.
This is more like a go-kart compared to like a Bronco. The immediate throttle response allows you to, you know, to get get the reaction of the vehicle way sooner. Whereas like in a Bronco, you know, you gotta let the turbo spool and get it. You know, you gotta be a little bit more ahead of it. Whereas the power of the electric vehicle can enable you to be lazy if you want, if you will. But obviously two different vehicles. The Bronco would be extremely fun on this because they also made the Bronco extremely well balanced, but there's nothing that compares to the low center of gravity of an electric vehicle. And I think that's the least talked about thing, right? Everyone's focused on, oh, they're heavy, oh, they don't have sound, but like the driving experience from an electric vehicle is extremely unique. And, you know, I'm not getting rid of, you know, my V8 Mustangs anytime soon, but I am absolutely in love with the Mustang Mach-E, and I have one. I daily drive often. And for me to say I love that from my perspective, say 3 years ago, is crazy coming out of my mouth, but it's the truth.
Yeah, cool. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Oh yeah. How could I not have fun?
It's stuff like this that make people believe I don't have a real job, but I kind of do. I'm busy putting the full profile of the Mach-E Rally together. Thanks to Vaughn Gittin Jr. for the ride. Better than any roller coaster I've been on. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click notifications so you get alerts on when the Ford Mustang Mach-E Rally video pops up. It's a neat vehicle. I'm doing a deep dive. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. That's Driven. I'm Tom Volk.